Welcome to my YouTube channel. Australianang Bisaya, mana akong banana nga saputon kaayo nga magsingka-singka lang pirme nga isog kaayo. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Australianang Bisaya. Come on, just I have a visitor today. Hello. What you're hiding for? Hello. You say hello. Thank you for visiting us. Dili lagi ya. Dili ya pun. Someone is busy because what did you buy today, Jess? Did you buy a new phone? Did you?
Yeah.
Who buy a new one? Mommy? You. Mommy? You gonna do TikTok? Gonna do TikTok? Yes. Go a tour in our veranda. Hello. Let's just when you say hello.
Hello.
Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for visiting us. Hi. Thank you. So, okay, come on, let's go tour. Tour. So, this is outside. You say this is outside in the veranda. And that is Foxy and Jasmine. And whose car is that? Huh?
Me.
Ah, that's Jasmine's car. Wow. So you can see the mountain there, just look. The mountain.
I can see a tree, a long tree.
Yeah, and there's another tree there. No? And that one there. And hello, neighbor.
You can see the mountain.
The mountain. Is that Kambiwara? The bird. Oh, look at that. It's very pretty.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Yeah. Oh, it's gone. Look at the beautiful beauty. Today we cook. We
Are you doing video?
Yes, fish. Tuna or bonito. We call this bonito here. Bonito. So, lagyan namin ng salt para ihawin namin.
Yes.
Ang ihaw sa amin is gihaw, gikatay. And sa Tagalog, yes, is suba.
Hi.
Hello, fishy.
Hello.
Fish is huge fish.
Yeah.
Huge. Oh,
Very
with
huge.
lemon. Yep. Saan nag-lemon day?
It's lemon. Lemon, I know what
Saan namin nilagyan namin siya ng...
Hi.
Hello, what's the name of this?
Lemon.
Lemon. We're gonna put lemon. I'm gonna put it in the barbecue. So we're gonna wrap this one with a paper
And look,
because
I got some.
yeah, it's an electric, no, electric gas. Oh, gas. No, it's not really gas.
So we will pop this like I don't know.
And I got two cuties here. Look.
And one is Foxy and one is Bear.
Yeah, and one is Jasmine.
I'm not the dog.
Ah, you're not a dog. Sorry. Para hindi masusunog. Yeah, everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Australianang Bisaya.
You watched our videos before?
Yes, thank you.
When it was nighttime with Shane.
Oh no, yes I know what. Uy, Jesus Maria Josep. You scared with a balloon. Jesus Maria Josep. Yan ang barbecue natin, guys. Ooh.
Hi everyone.
Smells good. If you can smell it, guys. Oh my God.
Oh my goodness, everyone.
Hello, guys. Welcome to my YouTube
Channel.
Australianang Bisaya. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And please don't forget to share my video. And please click the notification bell below. So, it's your turn now.
No, wait. Give us a huge thumbs up. Okay,
What you gonna do?
let's
Play.
go.
Ay! Oh my God!
Hi everyone!
Welcome, madlang people!
Welcome back. Sorry about that.
Sorry about
We
that.
were vlogging Bobby, but that was a fail.
I wonder why, just a lemon tree.
Oh, I wonder why. I wonder no.
1, 2, 3. I wonder why, I wonder why, just a lemon tree. Just like that.
Learn. So what we want to
We're gonna
do?
play.
Oh,
We're gonna get to that.
oh, don't look at Foxy. Hey, there's another ball. Hi everyone, back from our YouTube channel. I'll get a ball.
Catch the ball. The ball is wet.
What's wet?
Ball catch. I wonder why. I wonder why. Just a lemon tree. Oh my God. Sorry.
Oh, I wonder why. I wonder how.
Huh? Napilit?
Hi everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Napilit daw?
Channel. So what we will do, everyone? Come and bring a video.
Okay. I'll jump.
Hi everyone. You have to come.
Okay, I'll jump. Okay, and
Pretend we both
be
jump.
careful, huh?
Hi everyone. It's Jasmine.
And I'm Jen. Welcome to, and this is Foxy.
And Jasmine. Whoa, whoa. Whoa,
So what are we
whoa.
gonna do today?
Um,
You're gonna play?
yeah.
What?
What we would do.
Play.
So let's play ghost. So I'll count and you hide it. Wait.
What we gonna play?
Pretend I'll be a ghost. Wait. You be a ghost and I'll be a people. Try to get me.
Maybe it's on.
Wait. Let's do it intro shot.
Wonder why, wonder why.
This is Jasmine.
Jen.
I'll do the roundabout.
1, 2.
1, 2, 1.
Oh.
I wonder why.
Come, Foxy, jump, jump,
Okay.
jump. 1. We're gonna, I said jump to the right, jump to the left, and stand up, jump to the front, jump to the back, jump to the right, jump to the left, and turn around.
Wait, let's play spinning game. So
Okay.
you be like that, and let's you be try to get me.
I'll try to get you. I got you.
Pretend I'm a rolling, and you were trying to, and you were running. Now,
I'm running.